SMG's top seller TurfCare has been upgraded for more mobility and convenience. The redesigned tow hitch now combines the standard drawbar with a 3-point hitch for tractors. This unique solution enables safe and comfortable transportation to and from the worksite, providing unparalleled convenience for turf maintenance professionals. With tool-free interchangeability from 3-point to drawbar configuration, adapting to different towing setups has never been easier. The combination hitch is retrofittable for all existing TurfCare TCA 1400 and TurfCare TCA 2000 models, ensuring compatibility with your current fleet of machines. The new TurfCare is now equipped with an integrated level for precise adjustment and even working depth, guaranteeing optimal results with every pass. Want to see more of the TurfCare in action? Click the link in the upper right corner to watch the video. And don't forget about the optional magnet bar attachment, perfect for picking up ferrous metal debris from the turf, ensuring a clean and safe playing surface. Upgrade your turf maintenance setup with the redesigned combination hitch for the TurfCare. Experience convenience, versatility, and efficiency like never before.